Hey everybody, we are here at Detroit's Amtrak Station. It's not really centrally located. There's some big buildings around here. I think there's a design school. That looks like a converted factory building, the fire escapes. But basically this is the station. A little bit of parking, and we'll take a look inside, see what we can find. For food, there's a White Castle close by. That's about it. It was basically a walk through the station. It was pretty quiet in there. People are kind of still sleeping. Trying to get up to the platform. The platform is closed. And I guess this looks like the ramp for baggage. There's the platform up there. Fortunately, there's not a lot to see here. This station is, what can I say? Not a gem. Anyways, folks, thanks for watching, and heading back to try to ride the light rail in Detroit, a 3.3 mile line, and see how that goes. All right, take care. Bye.